So here we start the demo. How the Spring Boot works. How the use of annotation. What the use of annotations? There are different so many annotations. What is the IOC inversion of control? As we see all things with the example. So first thing what I made is that the post request. Okay, the simple my rest controller class. Yeah, one is the post mapping, the post request, which is mainly for the input. We use post request for input, the get request for output, the get mapping. So here you can see that to control the rest controller and the request mapping, the two annotation I used in a class, and the post mapping in math. So this I already made. So we start from here, the every step to step. So first I just try to run this thing. Okay, so we can run it from here only, here also directly. Okay, no problem. So as we can see that program is running. Yeah, it is simply running. So now I think it is we can. So this is the my URL, the post request URL. Okay, and if I send the request, then we can see that the response is coming. That this is the response. My rest control because I return this thing. Okay, now we see how to create a get request. Get request is for taking, giving some output. Okay, so now we try to take some data. As I say that the post mapping or the post request is used to take some input. So as we try to take some input, so here I created one class, the order request. So yeah, it is there, and now we create some data types. So the first string name, no problem. The second one, I think the string, or here be set as a describe. Oh, what? अरे यार ये क्या कर रहा हूँ? Yeah, and then third one is like amount. Okay, no problem. The amount. Okay. Is anything else? Yeah, we can set the currency also. So the current currency, yeah. So for that we have to make generate. What we have to generate? Like getter and setters. For that, I think there is an this is the shortcut key. Okay, generate getter and setter. So I forgot about the shortcut key. So no problem. Just select all and generate it simply. So we generated, and I think we have to create some string method also. Generate to string method. No problem. Yeah. So I do the things now. If we go to our controller layer, simply go here and just do it something. What this thing? the simple thing we can do that, just creating an object. So for that we have to pass it here, order request simply, and we just add here. Okay, no problem. Order request, for that we have to just do the things on the simple things, and yeah, add the there thing which we not done is to import. Okay, now yeah, yes, we imported. For this also there is shortcut key, but I'm no used to for many shortcut keys, so that's why I not use. No problem, just try to create this habit. No problem, yeah. So for that we have to first create an JSON format data to give some in Postman. So just we use our chat GPT for that, but there is no, so simply write chat GPT and hell here it is. So no problem, just go say this, and here we copy some things like this thing. uh, Give some JSON for meat for for below given Java objects. Just simply we write these things, and here we can see how. Yeah, the simple thing there, we can say that the simply we copy it, and B put this thing in body. In Postman, if you want to give some input in post mapping, just select the return type like JSON, HTML, XML, which is it's a default JSON. Simply paste here, yeah, right there. And first we have to run our application. So simply this is the best way to run any application. The Spring Boot application, simply go maven build, and right here clean spring hyphen boot colon and write run and place enter or anything, just save also the thing. So we can see that our, oh, what the thing is this. So something is failed, build is failed, I think. Why it is failed? So here we can see that this is the problem. The port is in already in use. So for that, just simply go to here, and my port 8083 is all is already, oh sorry, I think already spelling is wrong. Already in use. How to free it? How to free it? Simply, yeah. First, I have to find the PID. So this is the command. Just paste, copy it, command prompt. Yeah, we can see that the command prompt is there. Simply copy it, and yeah, this is the port ID. Yeah, this is, and then now simply kill 9, and I think 1 4 6 2 8. Kill, I think my something is wrong. Task kill, yeah, kill, yeah, this is the, I'm right now. Yeah, control plus V. So same thing I do that. Okay, na, kill is not recognized as the internal or external command, but why? Okay, I try it again. 1 4 6 2 8. Kill is not recognized as the internal or the external command. Why? Why process once you have the PID? Yeah, I have a PID. Find the it is for Linux on Windows. No problem. We use this thing. No problem. Here we write the PID. What the PID? 1 4 6 2 8. And I think that done done. We had done it. Now just simply rerun. So how we can rerun the program? Just simply go here and try to rerun it. Okay, here we can see that the our server is running, and here we it is the input which we want to give. Now simply do the send request. So the thing is okay. Now if we check here, then we can say that the all things work correctly, but the null, why it is, why we do not get a single thing. What program is running? No problem in program. So just because there is a one annotation, we are not done. That is request body. Request body. And for that, first of all, we have to use this. We do the same thing again. Then
ये कौन बाबली बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है झूठ बोलने की लेकिन कैसे टेल यू अभी तो कच्ची खिलाड़ी है
so first of all, we have to save the thing and do it the thing again. And here we can see that our application is running very smoothly. Yeah, it is running. And if we go again to Tomcat, then send it again, and here the run, and you can see that everything is get every input. Okay, so for giving some output, like if we take all the input, all the data, all the information, then we have to give something back, that is an order ID. So for that, first we create something. What something? A order ID class, the class which give order ID. So simply we create the order ID, or I think, or the order response is, I think ठीक रहेगा. Yeah, it's good, I think. So just simply I created the class, and here I create one uh, or one what like many Mhm. Private no it's an int and id, simple, no problem. So for that I have to create some I think private की spelling गलत है अरे यार हाँ अरे प्राइवेट की स्पेलिंग क्या होती है यही होती है ना हाँ यही होती है so for that I have to create some getter and setter. So just go to source, create getter and setter. The one thing is they are only generated, and one thing also I have to generate that is return two string method. The simple thing is the two string method. Then it's simple. Okay, no problem. Just I go for the controller class, and here I create the object for the class. What the name of the our class is? What what is this name? Simply this. Let's see. Go to this class. Control plus B. Order. Array what I write every time. Order ID equal to new. Simply add this thing and write this. No problem. Yeah. Why it is an no problem. So order ID dot set ID, and the ID should be 101. Simple. Okay, no problem. Format. Yeah. So now we write here the order ID, I think. Okay, so for that we have to simply write our object. No problem, no problem. Now I have to change the return type of the class so as we you can see that uh yeah. So now we again try to run the class. So as our old way, it is our legacy type. So simply write there clean spring, oh sorry, hyphen root colon and run, and yeah, save, and I think it is run. I think yeah. If it take time, I am little bit, little bit. What it is doing? What is this? Oh, something is not good. Oh, what type of the thing it is doing? Total time or anything is that the failed. अरे यार, what the problem in this? I not understand. I again try to run from here. Yeah, run from here. Yeah, it is running. Always what happens, I don't know. It is running very calmly, simply. And if I do this thing, and what happens? Yeah, we got the ID. The simple thing, we got ID. Okay, now we create some get request. Okay, no problem. Just go in controller class. Yeah, we here create method public string, and the read order simple, and take something input like we taking id. So for that int id, and for this the simple thing is id. Okay, for that the system dot out dot print ln, a simple thing, and here we write something. Okay, no problem, we write received. Simply we write received path variable, the simple thing. Okay, no problem. id, and here we write the id. Okay, yes, and we return something, return, and what we return, it is mentioned to string type. Write the same thing here also, no problem. Yeah, we are creating the get request. So do the annotations, get request. For that we have to given some url also. Yeah, the simple thing, but there are something missing. Okay, first of all we have to import the class. Yeah, we import it, no problem. Okay, we have to do it in string type, so simply write this. Okay, what is wrong? The import, I think the import, yeah, get record notice a get mapping. Oh, I think I am something missing. Mapping. Arey, what the wrong with me? I always do incorrect type, but we have to be the giving one more annotation, the path variable. I think the path variable is the annotation we have to be. This annotation is used to take input from the URL. Here we pass the ID. So for that we need something which come from ID to there here. So that no problem. Okay, now we try to run this application. Simply go run as and build us. Build. So what we write, clean spring boot and the run. Yeah, first we have to save the things, and here we see if our application is working or not. So yeah, it always failed. Why, I don't know, but it failed. Why it is failing, yaar? From where I have it is saying Mozo not found exception. Mozo not found exception.
We got it as well. So ID 101 is provided. And now let's see whether this works first of all whether this entire map.
Arey yaar, I tried again also one more time. Just simply go to run as. Maven Boj, clean, spring, boot, and run. Yeah, I think now it is running. I think yeah, now it is running. I don't know what the mistake is. I do nothing. Just simply giving the command. And, yeah, it's always that the port is running. So simply we have to do the same thing again. Why this problem comes? I think I forget to stop. Simply. So first we have to know in which port this port is running. So just copy this thing and go to type here, and as we can see that, and simply just again copy this thing and go to there and type and give the PID, the port ID. We can say that simple thing, the port ID, and right here, yeah, successful thing. Okay, and now we again try to run this project. Clean, boot, and just simply run. Mm, is running? I think yes, it is running, and we can see that the port number is working. Just go to it. Up now we have to create something new. Now we create the get request. For get request, simply we have to provide the ID. Okay, so this is our ID. So simply write their ID. Okay, now the URL complete. As we can see that the this URL is applicable for all the method in that class, and only we have to add the ID thing. The path variable is for that if we give something in URL like this thing, like the ID we have given. So now this ID come to there. The path variable is used for that this ID copy here from here. So just simply send the request. So yeah, receive path variable ID, but the thing is okay, no problem, just go it. Okay, so now we stop this thing because we forget every time, and for that we have to